distribution. So I will give you a scenario. You have to build or fill in. It depends on my question. So you have to build in, you have to build probability distribution table. Okay, when you build your probability distribution table, first of all, you must define the variable X. Okay, you must define what is X. What do we want to talk about? Okay, so you build the table. So when you build the table, yeah. So you have a different discrete variable for X, correct? So I don't know what is the value. So you have to depend on the question. Okay, so then you have the probability. So you have many probability. You have your X1, X2, X3, X4. So you have P1, P2, P3, P4. You may have more than that. So one very important thing that you have to remember is your probability. So this is very important. Your PI highest is 0. Okay. Okay, that is something that you have to remember. Then another thing that you have to remember is the sum of all the probability must be equal to 1. Sum of all the probability must be equal to 1. Okay, so these are the things you have to take notes of. Then from this probability distribution table, what you need to know is you have to find the mean. What is the meaning of mean? Is the expected value. So expected value means what you expect. In the long run, what happened? Okay, so we always write as EX. Okay, so how to get the answer? Sum of XI, PI. So sometimes you have to know the formula also. I know you can get it from GC. Okay, then standard deviation. So how much each value deviate from the mean? So standard deviation is by this symbol. Okay, so the formula will be square root of sum of xi squared pi, take away the mean squared. Okay, all this you must know. Okay, then how to use your GC to get the mean and the standard deviation and get the median? How to use your GC? So you have to know that you have to key in, then you go to, okay, everyone should know how to key in, correct? Key in the data. Key in the data, you use stack, edit, then select number 1. All right? Then after that, second step, you must always remember put second mode. Okay, then third, you go to stack again. Then go to calculate. Then you select 1 var stack. Okay, then you will know what to do. Okay, so that is your GC. So this will make up one question. So the question can be of the type whereby I say, okay, talk about profit, talk about gain, and so on and so forth. Yeah. So any question on this? So did you try the exercise? 7A, those I didn't discuss. 7B, any question? Hello, if you all didn't do your homework, then when exam come, then only you do your homework. You suffer, I don't know. 7B, any problem or not? Sure, no problem. Okay. 7C. Seven C.2. Can you tell me the truth? Did you try the exercises or not? Can someone respond to me?
Yes.
Yes. So, okay, EJ, no problem, is it? EJ got, huh? So you haven't tried yet. So I know you all got tests, you all got whatever, is it? But at least you must give max half an hour, every day. Am I right? If not, you're very unfair to me. Okay, 7C.2. No one. 7C.2 got do or not? Okay, never mind. Miss Do is going to discuss one question. That is question 8 on page 19. This one we done already, huh? Oh, this one we done already. There's one question I want to do. I forgot where is it. Not this question, not this question. Have anyone tried the question on the even number and the odd number one? Where is the question? The question talk about if you get 2, you get 4. Anyone have any idea where is the question? Okay, let me check. Or is it in the review set? Let me have a look. Hold on. Let me check the question. You all didn't try this, right? Not this one. I can't find the question. Never mind. Okay, I can't find the question. I don't know where the question go to. It's a very interesting question. It's in your Excel. It's okay. So so that is all about this question. So you must know what is expected value. Then how to count profit and so on. Okay. Can? So now I want to talk about 7E. Okay. 7E is show the property of AX plus B. Okay, so I'm going to, instead of putting it as property of AX plus B, I want to talk about this is called transforming data. When I transform a set of data, I want to know. So what is the effect? Transforming data. And the effect on mean, mode, median, and standard deviation. Okay. So what I mean here is like that. For example, I have my data X. Okay, so X is made up of this number. I gave the first one is 3, 5, 9, 16, 21, for example. Okay, now I transform it to become Y. So how is Y related to X? It's a number times by X plus another number. So these A and B are called constant. Okay, they are constants. So now my first value of Y will be A, 3A plus B. My second number will be 5A plus B, correct? Third number will be 9A plus B. 16A plus B. 21A plus B. So now, if I find the mean for X, can someone use your calculator and get the mean for X? Will be 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 16 plus 21. Yeah, so I got 54 divided by 5. So I got 10.8. Am I right? So now, how about the mean for Y? Okay, now everyone have to work algebraically. So altogether, they are 54A plus 5B, correct? Then I divide by 5. So I got 10.8A plus B. So it means that from here, we means that, so the mean for Y, you follow the formula, is A times the mean for X plus B. So that means now it's transformed. So I don't have to know what is X. So if I know the mean for X, I will be able to know the mean for Y by following this formula. You get me? That is called transform. If Y is related to X in this way. So logic or not? Logic. Am I right? Okay, what happened if I want to talk about the standard deviation? Which one will affect the standard deviation? If I have a set of number here, lowest is 3, highest is 21. If I plus a number, okay, for example, everything I plus 7. So I get to here. So will the spread change? You tell me. Here is 10, highest is 10, lowest is 10, highest is 28. Will the spread change? Will the spread change? Young people? No, it will still remain the same. So that means if you plus or minus, it will not affect the spread. If you multiply and divide, then it will affect the spread. So in this case, I'm not going to count the standard deviation because the formula is very complicated. Correct? So the effect on the standard deviation, can you give me the standard deviation for X for this case? Can someone just key into the calculator and use one bar stack and give me the standard deviation?
6.76.
So 70, huh?
6.76.
7 point?
6.76.
8.76. Is it?
6.76.
Okay, sorry, 6.76. Okay, 6.76, huh? Okay, so when it become Y, only multiply it will affect. So standard deviation of Y will be equal to A times 6.76. Understand? But the variance of Y, because variance is standard deviation squared, correct? So it will be A squared times by the variance of X. Get me? So this is talking about transformation that you have to remember. And you have to be very careful. If we talk about multiply with a negative number or positive number, so we always take positive. Because the spread is a magnitude. So we take modulus. Are you okay? So this is called transforming. So that is exercise 7E all about. Can or not? Hello? Okay. So I may set question for you to do in that way. Yeah. So remember, only multiply or divide will affect the spread. Plus and minus will just switch the data from one section to another section. So this is called transforming. Can or not? Okay, let's try one question. Okay, which question you want to try? Okay, let's try question 6 on page 204. Okay, everyone start. You should be able to do part A. Okay, everyone have to get ready your calculator. Huh? So part A is equal to 1 take away 1 over 6 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 12 plus 1 over 6. Uh, 4, 8, 9 over 12. So answer is 1 over 4. Is it? Is it 1 over 4? Is Mr. correct? 4, 8, 9, correct? 3 over 12, 1 over 4. Okay, A done. Okay, for part B, you have to use the calculator. Okay, so part 1, E for X, that is the mean, equal to, okay. Key into the calculator, edit, L1, L2, 1, 2, I better clear everything. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I gain the probability 1 divided by 6, 1 divided by 3, 1 divided by 12, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 6. Okay. Yeah, you're faster than me. Thank you. Okay, stack, calculate 1 bar stack. Frequency in L2, calculate. Okay, so the mean is 2.9166. So approximately 2. Okay, 2.92. Okay, 2.92. Okay, the standard deviation for X is equal to 1.3819. So equal to 1.38, okay, approximately. So part 2, okay, for me, I prefer to write like that. Y equal to X plus 4. Okay, so therefore expected value of Y is equal to expected 1 times expected value of X plus 4. I prefer to do it like that. Okay, so it's equal to, that is the way I write. Equal to 1.38 plus 4. So that is 5.38. Mode and median also follow the mean formula. What? The mean is, my mean is wrong. Yes, you are right. 2.92. Yes, you are right. I'm wrong. Thank you. 2.92. So you add up, you have 6.92. All right. So the variance is standard deviation squared. So it will be 1.38 squared. That's it. Because 1 square is 1. So you get the answer, right? So the standard deviation will be still the same as 1.38. So I prefer to do it like that. I define my Y. So I have another one, I transform to another variable, I call it K. My K is 3 times of X minus 1. So the mean for K will be equal to 3 times 2.92, take away 1. So I get the answer. Okay, variance for K will be 3 square times 1.38 square. Okay, standard deviation for K will be 3 times 1.38. That's all. Can or not? Okay, I'm going to give you the third one. The fourth one. Okay, if my P, cannot use P for probability. Okay, if my variable Q is equal to negative 2x plus 5. So the expected value of Q will be equal to negative 2 times 2.92 plus 5. But the standard deviation for Q, remember, it will be modulus. Okay, so you get the answer. Can or not? Hello? Are you okay? So that part is that simple. Okay, huh? Can I move? Can I move on? Okay. So I'm going to move on to binomial. So binomial, will have one question, and we have to give you the scenario, binomial distribution. So any statistic distribution, you must define the variable X. What does X represent? Okay. So, and you must state the possible value for X. Okay. Then you must find the probability of success. Okay. Then you write down X is the binomial. The criteria part, I expect everyone to know. What is N here? Can someone tell me what does N means? Xian Li? Sean Li. What is the meaning of N? What is N? Yimei?
Number
of what?
the number of all the variation.
Yeah, the number of trials. Yeah, in my number of trials, that means I have 10 students in the class. I'm talking about the 10 students, so that my number of trial will be 10. And each trial must be independent. All that criteria, everyone should know already. So you want to know about the criteria for binomial distribution, you go to page 207. Or you go to my lecture note. Okay, so then you have to know how to get the value of X equal to a number. What is the formula? So what is this? Explain. What is the meaning of NCR? What is the meaning of NCR?
The number of combinations you can get from that set of trials.
Yes. So number of combination, or we say number of ways to get R success out of, it's better to get any R success out of N trials. This is the probability of one of the outcome. One of the outcome, sorry. Yep. So now, so if I use my GC, how to use it? How am I going to use my GC to get this answer? I use binom PDF and PR. Got it? Okay. So next one. If I want to find the value of this, so that means I'm looking for x equal to r plus probability of x equal to r plus 1 plus until the last one, probability of x equal to n, correct? Am I right? So what I can do is, I can use 1 minus, you see here got equal sign, probability of x less than or equal to r minus 1. Agree? Why I want to write in this form? Can someone tell me? Why I want to write in this form? Yu Xuan?
Because we include R.
Why I need to write like that? Like for example, I have my x equal, x is a binomial distribution, correct? I put my n equal to 10 and my p is 0.7, for example. I want to find the probability of x greater than or equal to 4. Okay. So I will say this is probability of x equal to 4 plus until the last one, probability of x equal to 10, correct? So I will write this as 1 minus probability of x less than or equal to 3. Okay. So then I will write 1 minus 1. So why I want to write in this form? Why every time Mr. want you to write in this form? Yeah. Can someone give me some reason? We write certain thing in certain form, definitely there is a reason. Okay, why faster?
Then you don't have to find the probabilities of 4 to 10. You just need to find from 1 to 3 and
Okay.
1 is the answer.
Okay, if I do like that, okay, never mind, I do like that. Okay, I put here. I put here 8. So x equal to 8 plus probability of x equal to 9 plus probability of x equal to 10. Okay. So, but I still will write like that. Then I straight away can get my answer. Why? If you are in high school, I would say this one you use like that. But now I say no, use this one. What is the reason? Less step? How can it be less step? You tell me. You see, you all didn't get to what I want. You
Can
don't know
use
the reason
binom
why.
CDF.
Yes, that is the key. So that if I write in this form, then this part, I can use my calculator and use binom CDF. Haha. So here I can key into calculator binom CDF 10, 0.73. So you got graphic calculator, and without graphic calculator, you definitely work in a different way. Am I right? You get me? You got graphic calculator and you don't have graphic calculator, definitely you are going to work in a different way. Can or not? So this is all about binomial distribution. So from one binomial, I can get into another binomial and so on and so forth. Am I right? Okay. Are you okay? So I'm going to talk about yesterday. I discussed, some of you are not in. So when you talk about binomial distribution, okay, I give you a scenario now. Okay, I say, given, I'm not going to give you the word problem. I said given X is a binomial distribution. Okay, X is a binomial distribution. N is a question mark. Okay, you wait for a while. Okay. Hold on. I choose one nice number first. Okay. And I don't know what is it. Probability of success is 0.3. Okay. And probability of at least one success is equal to 0.971972. Okay, find the value of N. Okay, so now, so in this case, when you want to do, so based on here, probability of X greater than or equal to 1 is equal to 0.972. So 1 minus probability of X less than or equal to 0 is equal to 0.972, correct? So if less than or equal to 0, it also can be written as, equal to 0.972, correct? So probability of X equal to 0 will be equal to 0.028. Am I right? So now, if I got my scientific graphic calculator, so how am I going to do? I'm going to use what you so-called try and error method. Try. So now you try. How you do, how you try? You choose any n that you like. So you don't have to have any algebraic skill. You choose any n you like. Okay, what is the n value that you want to try? Can someone tell me what is the n value that you like to try? I also don't know. I also try and error. Yeah. Anyone?
10.
10. Wow, you very accurate. Okay, you want to try with 10. Okay, that is the number that you choose. Okay, you want to try with 10? So we try with 10, n equal to 10. So what I need to do is, for this one, because it's equal. So if it's not equal, we use binom CDF. So depend on your situation. So I use binom PDF. So I put in 10, comma, 0.3 and 0. Okay, I get the answer. You try and see. Okay, so I got 10. Yeah. So I got 0.02824. Look, this is 0.2824. So now, but here is 0.28. So now I have to try with another number, see which one is closer. I try with 11 and see. Okay, so you just put second enter, then you change the 10 to 11. Okay, this one I get 0.01977. So which one is further away? 10 or 11? Which one have a greater difference? 0.02824. So this one, the difference is 0.00024. What is the difference of this one? 0.028, take away 0.01977. Syntax error. Oh, okay. Delete, 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 delete. Okay, this one, the difference is 0.00823. So this is closer, am I right? So this one is closer, so we choose this one. Or you may want to try also another one that is 9. Then you do a binom PDF. So you see which one is closer, then you choose the correct one. So this is called try and error. So it's very important. But if I want to solve by algebra, can or not? Can I solve algebraically? Okay, I'm going to show it to you. And I'm going to tell you that it's possible for this case, but not for other cases. Okay? Not for other cases. You get me? Okay, so what I can do is, actually, I also can use solver to do. You all go and find out how to use solver to do. So algebraically, I will solve it this way. Okay, so this is n C0 p to the power n. What is my p? All this I have to let you know because it can happen in the exam, okay? What is my p? 0.3 to the power n then 0.7 to the power of, sorry, 0.3 to the power of 0, 0.7 to the power n minus 0. So equal to 0.028. What is NC0? If I have n object, I ask you to choose one. No way is a way. So the answer is 1. 0.3 to the power of 0 is 1. Right? So now n ln 0.7 equal to ln 0.028. You want to say ln, you want to say log, up to you. So your n equal to ln 0.028 divided by ln 0.7. Okay. Now you try to count, see whether it's the same or not. Okay, so I get approximately 10.024. So n must be a whole number. Right? Number of trial must be whole number. So therefore, n equal to 10. That's it. So if you do it this way, left-hand side way or right-hand side way is fine. But if they say algebraically, you must show me this way. Are you okay? Hello, class? I'm trying to find the interesting question. I don't know where is it. I can't find. Anyone got any idea which question is it? I hope I can discuss with you. Okay. Okay, so the rest I leave it to you to do. Review set. Okay, maybe some of you, when you talk about expansion. You still remember your binomial expansion or not? Like for example, I ask you to expand a to the power n. Do you know the formula? I give you the formula so that when you do expansion, you will know what to do. So it will start with like that. N C0 a to the power 0 b to the power n plus n C1. The a, this one is a power for a, and power for b will be go down by 1. Okay, continue the same, keep increasing by 1, and last one is n Cn a to the power 0 b to the power n. So this is called a binomial expansion. Understand, this is called a binomial expansion. Are you okay? If you see any expansion like that. Okay. So can you please try review set 7A, 7B, and all that. So tomorrow I will start with chapter 8 already. And class, I don't want to talk during the whole thing. Okay. If I set the SAT 5, I will talk to the other class tomorrow also. SAT 5, correct? If I set it on Wednesday, okay, 22nd of July. I know 21st of July is a holiday. So during that time, we still can do some discussion. It's okay. I still can conduct the class. But okay, so we shall have it What time do you end the class? On Wednesday? Thursday. Thursday. 22nd is Wednesday or Thursday? Sure, July 22nd is a Thursday. Let me check. Oh, so that means 21st. 21st. Thursday, you all don't have class. '21st. Okay, Wednesday, what time you all finish your class? Wow, until 6 ah. You save for long. Until 6 ah. Before 6, what class? Email, before that, what do you have? Okay, our lecture is from 3 to 4, correct? 2 to 3, correct? 3 to 4, do you have anything on? Chemistry. Very susah leh, ini macam. Any suggestion? You think about it. You think about it first. You think about it first. If not, we will have it on Thursday. Thursday, what time do you have what time do you end your class on Thursday? Thursday, what time is your last class? May I know? May I know? Hello? 4 p.m. The rest?
Yeah, 4 also.
4 also. Okay, so we may think on Thursday, see how is it. Okay, Thursday. Yeah, so we may put it on Thursday because Wednesday definitely out already. So I will discuss with the other class, see how is it first. Then we come to a conclusion during lecture. Okay? Can or not?
Can.
Okay, thank you, class.
Thank you, Mr.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.